Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about what is Talkback feature in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings like this. Then you have to go to system and updates, or you can go to accessibility or features also. Here it is accessibility Talkback. You have to turn on this Talkback. Talkback needs to observe your actions, receive notification when you are interacting with an app, retrieve. You can also just do this. It is for blind peoples usually. You can see the Talkback features is on. How you can, this green line shows that it is enabled Talkback feature. You have to double tap it to activate it. You can see whenever you can see it is speaking. When I just tap on this settings app, it will speak, and double tap to open the app. And similarly you have to click on any one of thing, like click on thing, it is selected app, and double tap to activate it, and it will speak to, you can hear. It is mainly for blind people. And if you want to turn it off, then simply go to system and accessibility and features, double tap, accessibility, double tap, Talkback feature, double tap, and you have to turn off this and double tap to, and you can see Talkback feature is off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.